The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
This game was an absolute fucking roller coaster for me. There's sometimes that I got absolutely murdered. There are some parts where I just fucking collapsed on the floor. No fucking way. What? I'm dead. I'm dead. Some parts that I escaped.
Never back down.
Okay, there we go. I made it. I'm out. And in some parts, I don't even know what was happening half the time. So yeah, that's basically it. This is the fucking video. That's right. We're good. We're good. Oh, my back. My back. I hear some. Oh, ew. Fucking gross. Silence. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That guy's dead. I think he sees me. What up, bitch? What up, dude? What up? Yeah, okay, he sees me. Okay, I'm gonna have to just go for it. I'm gonna have to go for it. I'm gonna have to go for it. I'm gonna have to go for it. Fuck Grandpa. I don't care. Subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying so far. I know where you live. Dumbass! 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 Fucking dumbass! Okay, where's the door? Where's the door? Where's the door? It's somewhere here. Somewhere here. Where's the door? Where's the door? There it is. There it is. Fuck! 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 I became too cocky. I was too cocky. I was too cocky. I was too cocky. Oh, I just need him to leave. I need him to leave so I can open that door and then escape. He's like puppy guarding the damn door. I hope he knows there's more fucking doors. Oh no! Oh! The door's open! The door's open! Oh shit! Fuck you! He's running! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming!
Never back down.
Okay, there we go. I made it. I'm out. Let's go. I got an achievement behind the curtain. Perfect. This is perfect. All we have to do is just grab 2 of these damn tools after we open it up. I would speed run it, but I really don't want to play another one. So I'm just gonna open this up real quick. And I think I know where this is at. So hurry up, bitch. Open the door. Fuck. Fuck this. Hey, you dumbass, close the door on your bitch ass. Oh, fuck, it's a ladder. You fucking bitch. You're a fucking bitch. You're a fucking bitch. There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way he didn't see that. There's no fucking way he didn't see me. They didn't even set up traps. That's an easy game. This is an easy game. That's it. We won. I won. Wait. Did I just go backwards? Kill this bitch. She's right here. Kill her. Kill her. Kill her, bitch ass. Oh, I know what to do. Okay, I gotta lockpick that thing using my lockpick and also turn off the fucking Oop! I hit my desk. Yeah, look, I'm free. I'm free to go. I won. I didn't even do anything. All I did was just stand here and looking all cute and shit. Oh wait, you didn't turn it off. Bitch, you didn't turn it off. Here, I'll turn it off. I'll turn it off. I'll turn it off. I did one thing. Look cute. Look good looking. Sexy bodied while turning off this fucking battery from the truck, whatever. I wasn't paying attention. I'm not paying attention. That's it. We're good. I'm out. We're out. I'm outies. I won. We won. We're out of here. That's it. Easy game, dude. That's how it's easy. That's it. That's how easy it is. Lockpicks. All you need is lockpicks. All you need are lockpicks, and then open the door next to you or whatever is next to you. Go up and just lockpick some more shit and leave. Like, you really don't need like the water valve and shit like that. But if you want to, you know, go for it. Make it harder on yourself. But you can just lockpick shit like that girl. What she's doing right now.
Oh fuck me. The last one standing. What a dumbass. I don't think you see me. Oh fuck, never mind. Can I run him? Can I rush him? Oh, I can't rush him. It barely does anything. Fuck! I'm dead. I'm recovering. No fucking way. This is actually fucking terrifying. No fucking way. Get up, please. Get up, please. Get up. There's no way I survive this. Oh my gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. Oh my gosh, no. Fuck you guys. I won. I don't know how I won that. I don't know how I did that. I don't know how the fuck I did that. I don't know how I won with only lockpicks. I won with only lockpicks. Last man standing and they all came at me. Oh my fucking gosh.